Hi peoples, it's Super Little Brat, and so my mom beat the highest, she has the highest score of the day. See, Flutterby, she just beat it, and it's with Crafty Canaries.
I got a trophy.
Yeah, and she's got a trophy. Is it in your dock?
No, I think it's in my room.
Oh. Well, she got the highest score of the day. Awesome. And so, do you want to go to your room?
Yeah,
show. She got a whole bunch of stuff. What'd you get? You got
the badge on my widgets there.
On your page?
Yeah.
She had a badge. And what else? You got a trophy?
I got the cool trophy. Yeah, I'll show it to you.
Deal of the day.
Loading.
Yeah. Loading.
Takes forever.
Oh, it could be slower.
Yeah. Oh, it's raining. Poor Flutterby.
It's actually, is it still raining?
It's really raining here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there she is. See her next kick.
Where'd you get that spinny thing? The flower thing?
Oh, that was one of the Easter egg things. When you remember you had to search for the Easter eggs on WebKid News?
Oh, I didn't know that.
I think it's in here.
I'm very shaky today. Here. Loading. I wonder if this is first on YouTube. Maybe it is.
I don't know.
Yep, first on YouTube.
So this is the trophy here.
Whoa.
So here I can
yeah,
kind of edit and turn it around a little bit so you can see it. It's actually really cute. It's got like a see it?
Got like a little canary.
Yeah.
And a little sign.
Yeah. Isn't that cute?
Awesome.
It's got a little sign and everything. Yeah.
That's awesome.
So I thought that was so awesome. I'm like, yay! Flutterby, you're so happy. Your clothes disappear when you do that, though.
The clothes disappear.
Yeah, let's wave naked.
Oh.
That's awesome.
Yep.
But yeah, that's what I got. Woo.
So that's about it. And so yeah. So thank you for watching. Bye.